they want you to come a little bit closer. I kept hearing that Brandy song, that song she's got, Come a Little Bit Closer. I believe it's on the Full Moon album. Look, we have a full moon in the picture of the moon card. I feel like this person wants to become intimate with you right off the bat. They feel a sense of togetherness with you. They feel the emotional depth whenever they interact with you. There's so much more that they want to explore whenever they spend time with you. And any time that it's spent with you, it doesn't feel long enough. I have a song called Not Long Enough, actually, but I didn't release it. But back to the point, this individual feels this spiritual, rich connection with you. They feel something that they have never felt before. It's telepathic. It's almost as if they can read your mind. Even if you say, oh, I'm fine, they know you're not fine when you're not fine. They can pick up your energy, they can pick up your emotions, and vice versa. And they want to delve deeper into this connection. They want you to come a little bit closer. For some of you, you have not been intimate with this individual before. There may be a distance. There's definite fears around taking it to that next level, because they may feel like, what if it spoils things? It's like they're wishy-washy in regards to taking it to that next step, because they have so much love, so much adoration, so much deep emotions for you. And they would be satisfied if things remain the same, because there is an unspoken love. But again, there's a fear of taking that leap, taking that next step. And they haven't got any other people that they are interested in. Yes, they do have admirers, right? As do you, is what I'm hearing. But they do have admirers. These could be people from their past. These could be people that have crushes on them, but they're not interested in these individuals. They're interested in you. They are lost in you. They feel like you are a whole mystery. They feel like you are very hypnotic. It's almost as if they lose all senses whenever they are around you. They see you as someone that you commit to. Yes, they are very attracted to you. They find you beautiful. If you are a male listening to this, they find you, I'm hearing beautiful as well. You could have feminine features, and they just find you absolutely gorgeous. And time just seems to pass by whenever you both interact with each other. And I feel like for some of you, you may have embraced this individual. See how this woman's got her eyes closed. And if you did, they wanted it to continue longer than it did. And they felt like they wanted to melt in your arms, like literally. And they felt extremely turned on, is what I'm picking up. But again, there's an energy of them holding themselves back. If you have not kissed this person before, this person envisions how it would be to kiss you. And I feel like when you talk, they look at your lips, they look at your eyes, and they think to themselves, okay, when I kiss him, when I kiss her, is it going to be with my eyes open, my eyes closed? Like, they're thinking those intricate details, right? And then they get scared and they think, no. What if I've forgotten how to kiss? What if I freeze? Or, what if they think I'm weird? Or, all these thoughts come into their mind. But one thing is for sure, they do see you as someone that they would love to settle down with, but they feel like they're at a stage where they haven't really got a lot to offer. They're working extremely hard on their career, and they are trying to heal. They're trying to move away from things that do not serve them anymore. And sometimes, I'm not going to lie, they do think about closing the cycle on this actual situation. They may feel like to embrace this actual connection, the world will be against you both, is what I'm picking up. Now, we've got the Three of Cups, so this could indicate there are energies that could oppose this actual connection, or they fear that people will oppose this actual connection. And initially when I pulled the cards, the title of the reading was in my mind's eye, but as I looked at the reading, I was thinking, against all odds, I'm going to be with you anyway. I was thinking of changing the title basically. And yes, there is indication of third parties, third energies, right? A third energy. Now, it could mean numerous things. This third energy could mean that you both coming together could create a new energy, or there's a fear that people will oppose this connection. But again, it's a fear. And they may also think to themselves, or they have thought to themselves in the past, let me close out this actual cycle because I don't want to let anyone down. I don't want my relationship to be a hot topic. So the fear could be driving them, or it could have been driving them at the time in the past, to close this cycle. Because a lot of things are coming up with this individual's connection with you. You know, they feel like maybe we should just be friends. Maybe we should just stabilize a friendship first, and then they become erratic in regards to not wanting to be your friend, wanting to rush towards you, call you, contact you. You know, this person can't keep away from you. They try to, but they can't. And it's like they to and fro, like, I should leave it alone. You know, I can't leave him alone. I can't leave her alone. And they may feel like I'm hearing, have let themselves down. Maybe there was a missed opportunity and this individual feels like they missed a chance with you, a chance in a lifetime with you. But what I'm picking up from this actual reading is, right, because a lot of, pausing here, they want to spend time with you, is what I'm picking up. They want to spend time with you because they are very proud of you. I'm hearing they want to show you off because they may feel like you think that they are embarrassed of you, and they're not, because they see you in a high light, too much in a high light in some cases. They feel like I'm hearing for some of you, you can do better than them. It's what they think. They also feel like you are the standard. You are their crush that they have all these intense feelings for. And the thing is, you intimidate this person because they're not usually in their feelings like this. Like, if they are dating someone, if they like someone, they usually are very upfront in regards to taking the lead in any capacity. But with you, it's like they feel very cornered in a sense. They feel like they have to be on their best behavior. They feel like they have to match your energy, which is a good thing, right? To want to match someone's energy because they place you on a pedestal. They see you as someone that is of high standard, and you are. And they tell themselves that, I'm tripping. Like, what is this? Like, why am I even, because I feel like the insecurity takes over when they think about, okay, I do want to kiss him, I do want to kiss her, and I want to take things to that next level. But then they start getting scared. They start thinking, no, I'm going to spoil it. Let me not. See, we got the Knight of Cups in the reverse, because they just feel like they're going to ruin things for whatever reason. They just feel like it's going to change a lot of things, and they will rather not take that step, even though they want to, even though they want to get closer to you. But they just feel as if it will just spoil a lot of things, and once they take that step, there'll be no going back. But then again, see, we have the Two of Swords in the reverse. It's like, but what if I regret it? What if I regret it? I just feel like this person has a lot of anxiety in regards to you because they place you on a pedestal, right? They are in awe of being with someone like you. But at the same time, it brings up a lot of, misconceptions. Like, they may expect you to put a lot of pressure on them, which they feel like they may not be able to live up to. And what this person wants to do is just spend time with you. You know, they feel like the emotional connection's there. And them being in their feelings like this is, you know, it's really bothering them because they see you as the empress and they see themselves as the page. So again, they're not seeing themselves in a highlight in regards to you. What they know for sure is that they do actually really fancy you. They have a huge crush on you and they do actually want to kiss you, you know. But again, they pause, they wait, they're in their head. But I feel like this is going to happen, guys. You know, could happen in the next 2 months, 2 weeks. You may have been seeing this person for 2 years for some of you. Please take what resonates. And this individual is very idealistic, very romantic. So they picture it in their mind like both of your eyes are open, right? See how her eyes are closed in this picture? They want to look you in the eye and they want it to be a moment in time where you're just both authentic with each other. They want to spend time with you. They may want to take you out on a date. They want to reconnect again. They want to shut out the world and they just want you to come that little bit closer. This person's cute though. You or this person could be of the signs Pisces, Cancer, Aquarius, Aries, Taurus, Aquarius, Taurus, Leo, Scorpio, Aquarius again, Cancer, Pisces, Aries, Taurus, Libra, Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South Node, or Lilith. I feel like our channel song is Brandy, Come a Little Bit Closer. The words are come a little bit closer. I can't remember. Listen to it and then you'll see. But that's the energy of this actual reading. This person is falling in love with you or they are in love with you. And yeah, you got this person's heart.